Hey guys, I'm Joshua with PoolBots.com. Today, we're talking about the top 3 robotic pool cleaners from Aquabot. Aquabot is one of the oldest and most trusted names in pool cleaning, and they've made a lot of design improvements to make their models compete with the most technologically advanced robotic pool cleaners on the market today. We'll walk you through our top 3 choices from Aquabot and help you figure out which one could be right for your pool. Number 3, the X4. This is the most affordable of the top 3 models, with a price tag of about $650. It's lightweight and has an easy to grip handle, and it's super simple to operate. You can set it to clean every 48, 72, or 96 hours. And you can choose from cleaning cycles that are 1, 1.5, or 2 hours long. Plus, its power supply has a little light that alerts you when it's time to clean the filter. The X4 is great at circulating water. It filters 85 gallons per minute and can capture particles as small as 2 microns. You'll find all the debris in the oversized filter baskets. They're simple to clean, and they can hold 190 cubic inches of dirt, algae, grass, leaves, you name it. On the underside of the X4, you'll see this rotating microbrush that actively scrubs as the unit moves. That helps loosen tough debris from the pool floor and walls. And it's way more effective than just a pool vacuum. The X4 is a great value, but coverage is where it tends to fall a bit short. It's designed to clean pool floors and walls, but the wheels aren't as effective at climbing as tracks are. So although it has 4-wheel drive, its wheels are more prone to slipping off vertical surfaces, which means it can't clean the waterline. But if high value is at the top of your priority list, the Aquabot X4 is a great choice. Number 2, the Elite. The Elite was Aquabot's top model for many pool seasons before they designed our number 1 pick. It's designed like a true wall climbing robotic pool cleaner. With these ever-grip rubber tracks that grip pool surfaces as the unit climbs, the Elite does serious cleaning as it climbs. Thanks to 3 different scrubbing brushes, front and rear hyper scrubbing brushes dislodge debris, and a clean sweep brush on the underside scrubs deep into the grooves and nooks that other cleaners miss. One of the Elite's most popular features is its waterline cleaning. Because the rubber tracks are so effective at climbing and it has triple brushing power, the Elite can deep clean the dirtiest part of any pool with ease, scrubbing away algae and grime at the waterline. Pool owners appreciate how easy it is to use the Elite. It has 2 quick draw cartridges that are simple to remove and clean. They're far easier to deal with than the messy debris bags. Plus, the Elite comes with a mobile caddy that makes storing and transporting it easy. And like the X4, scheduling a cleaning is hands-off with a programmable power supply. If you've got a vinyl, fiberglass, or tile pool, try the Elite PVA. The front and rear brushes are replaced with a foam roller that is specially designed to be tough on dirt and grime without wearing down vinyl liners. But if you have a gunite, concrete, or pebble pool, the Elite PVC that we've reviewed here will be perfect. Number 1, the Elite Pro. This new model is the best Aquabot has to offer. Like the Elite, it climbs walls and scrubs the dirty waterline clean for you. But its biggest improvement are connectivity, automation, and coverage. The power supply is drastically different, with just 2 buttons now. That's because the Elite Pro has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can control everything through an app on your smartphone. The app has several options for cleaning jobs, going up to 2.5 hours. You can start the Elite right then and there on your phone, or you can delay the start. If you want to run the Elite automatically, you have options ranging up to every 72 hours. What's more impressive is how the app helps the Elite customize cleanings to your pool. You can choose the kind of pool surface you have, like gunite, vinyl, or fiberglass. And you can choose your pool shape, like kidney, rectangular, and more. These selections help the Elite deliver the most efficient cleaning route specifically for your pool. The app also has a remote feature, so you can manually navigate the unit's movement from your phone. The remote control navigation is great for spot cleaning and fun. The kids will love it. The Elite has a few other features that earned it the number 1 spot for Aquabot, like an onboard microprocessor with navigation for calculated and efficient cleaning routes. It also upgraded to quad split spinning brushes. These split brushes can spin in opposite directions, which means the Elite can turn and pivot with precision. So unlike less advanced models with single rolling brushes, the Elite can get into tighter spots and won't waste time or energy navigating out of tricky areas. Learn more about each model and read reviews from real users at PoolBots.com. And be sure to check our deals. There you'll often save big with instant coupons and free or discounted accessories like storage covers. Our staff is also standing by to help you pick the best robotic pool cleaner for your pool, all at an unbeatable price.